complicated. Hello and welcome back to Jules Math Tools. In our session today, we're going to be converting our improper fraction into degrees by first changing it into a mixed fraction. And if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our session today, we are converting our improper fraction 32/6 into degrees by first changing it into a mixed fraction. Now, when changing your fraction into a mixed fraction, remember that means that we're looking at how many of our sixes in this case that we can get out of 32. And when looking at our fraction, we have 32/6. We know that 5 times 6 will give us 30, so we have 5 wholes. And then our remainder will be 2, which goes in our numerator, and 6, so our denominator remains the same. So our mixed fraction is going to be 5 and 2/6 being multiplied 360 degrees. Now, when looking at our mixed fraction, I want you to remember that 5 and 2/6 means that we have 5 being added to our 2/6. So in changing my fraction now into degrees, I'm going to be taking two different approaches to this method. The first thing I'm going to do is by using my 5 wholes, I'm going to multiply that to 360 degrees. So my 360 degrees, I would multiply that by 5 first. So 5 times 0 will give me 0. 5 times 6 is 30. We put our 0, carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 will be 18. So my 5 wholes will equal to 1800 degrees. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to work out the last part. So my 5 wholes is 1800 degrees. And remember that that is being added to our 2/6 of a fraction. Now for my 2/6 of a fraction, what I'm going to do at this point is multiply my 2/6, just like we did with the 5, to our 360 degrees. Now for this method, I am going to simplify because the simplifying will allow me to move a whole lot quicker through our fraction. So 6 will be divided by 6, which will equal to 1. And my 360 degrees, I will also divide that by 6, which will equal to 60 degrees. And I'll now multiply my 2 times 60 degrees, which will equal to 120 degrees. So my 2/6 in degrees is 120 degrees. And now since I have changed my 5 wholes and my 2/6 into degrees, I'm now going to add those two numbers together. So when adding my 1800 to my 120 degrees, I'm going to get 1920 degrees. So now that I've converted my improper fraction 32/6 into a mixed fraction, which is 5 and 2/6, and then multiplied that to 360 degrees, I found that my degrees is 1920 degrees. Well, I hope this was very easy and helpful for you to follow. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and remember to stay tuned for more videos right here on Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.